Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 18, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate with a score of 1.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.74%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.27% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is experiencing a strong upward trend. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as the stock is likely to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $198.93, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.99% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there could be a return between 6.67% and 16.78%. Additionally, the 12-month trend suggests a 36.09% change over the next year, with a potential return between 21.21% and 37.93%. This translates to a price range of $237.45 to $270.19 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple reveals that the stock price has seen a decline of 0.85% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 18, 2023, the Apple stock price dropped from $197.57 to $195.89, marking a decrease of 0.85%. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, with the lowest point being $194.40 and the highest point being $196.63, representing a 1.15% fluctuation. In the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 3.41% and has been on an upward trend for 6 out of the last 10 days. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume along with the stock price is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. The trading volume decreased by 61 million shares on the last day, with a total of 54 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $10.60 billion. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 1.87% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $3.73. Furthermore, it is 14.18% below the all-time high of $228.26, set on August 30, 2018. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Apple AAPL. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple stock. Currently, the short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Apple stock. However, the long-term average shows a buy signal. This means that although there is some uncertainty in the short term, the overall outlook for the stock is positive. If the stock continues to increase in value, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $196.16. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $187.95. Breaking above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the stock's short-term performance. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 1.12% decline so far. It's likely that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. In terms of volume, it decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This suggests that the overall risk is reduced, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a sell. The pivot signal indicated a sell 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signal indicated a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a buy 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average signal indicated a buy 33 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a buy 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple stock. When it comes to support levels, Apple has some interesting ones. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $181.82 and $176.65. Support levels are important because they indicate a potential stopping point for a stock's downward movement. If the current support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In Apple's case, if $181.82 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $176.65 and $166.89. Now, let's talk about risk. Apple is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. Take yesterday, for example. The stock moved $2.23 between its highest and lowest points, which is only 1.15% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.36%. So, overall, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a vital measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within a relatively normal range, which is typically observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $197.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in Apple, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple encounters a downward trend, its first support level can be found at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.659. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $187.73, representing a decrease of 4.16%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a good investment? Based on our analysis, we believe there are positive signals and a favorable overall trend, suggesting that Apple stock could present a potential buying opportunity in the short term. However, it's important to note that our systems indicate the current price may be overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 19th, we anticipate Apple stock to open down $0.252 and commence trading at $195.64. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Remember, there's always a possibility of losing money. It's highly recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We also want to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.